Well, we usually all agree that we need bodhisattvas to help sentient beings reaching enlightenment or liberation at first. But at one point of our practice, we might tend to rely on others and say, oh, I'm a little bit lazy and enlightenment is far from me in this life, but fortunately there are bodhisattvas and there are other enlightened beings to help all sentient beings. So I pray all the bodhisattvas to do their work. Yeah, well, we don't know that, first of all. We don't know how many bodhisattvas are out. And furthermore, a bodhisattva can help other sentient beings, or a Buddha can help other sentient beings, only on the basis of the karmic causes that these beings have created, and that these beings have created also between them and the enlightened being, or the bodhisattva. Which means that at some point, among two bodhisattvas of the same, let's say, spiritual achievement, one will be able to help some beings, but not some others. And the other will be able to help also some beings, but not all the others. Why? Because they have, since their consciousness exists, connected with some of these beings in the past, so they can help them.
Ponavadi se vsi strinjamo, da potrebujemo bodhisattve, da pomagajo čutečim bitjem doseči razsvetljenje, doseči osvoboditev. Toda na določeni točki v naši praksi se lahko zgodi, da se bomo začeli zanašati na druge, da bomo rekli, meni se pa ne da, moje življenje drugače teče. Toda na srečo so bodhisattve, ki pomagajo drugim, zato bom molil, naj še naprej opravljajo to delo. No, v resnici ne vemo, ali koliko bodhisattv res pomaga drugim. In še več, bodhisattve in Bude lahko pomagajo samo tistim čutečim bitjem, ki so ustvarila vzroke, da jim bodo pomagali. Recimo, eden bodhisattva lahko pomaga določenim čutečim bitjem, ne pa drugim. In drug bodhisattva lahko pomaga nekaterim čutečim bitjem in ne drugim. Ker so, odkar obstaja njuna zavest, ustvarila povezavo, da bosta lahko pomagala tem bitjem.
So all this implies that there are some beings that you might be able to help, whereas some other enlightened beings might not be able to help, because you have individually created some karmic causes, karmic links with many beings in the past. So their liberation, their help, or the way to help them, cannot depend on other bodhisattvas or other Buddhas, but can, might, could depend on you.
Torej, to pomeni, da obstajajo bitja, ki jim lahko pomagate, medtem ko jim druga razsvetljena bitja mogoče ne morejo pomagati. ker ste ustvarili karmične vzroke, povezave, da jim boste lahko pomagali. In torej njihova osvoboditev ni odvisna od drugih bodhisatov in Bud, temveč od vas.
So if we do practice in this life and reach enlightenment, we will be able to help a lot of beings with whom we have created some specific causes. Whereas if we do not, at the end of this life, there is no idea, no certainty where we will take rebirth. And if we will even be able to continue our spiritual path in the next life. And if we do not, in how many lives after might we reconnect with the spiritual progression? So much time lost and so much suffering we'll have to go through before we can again reach a precious human rebirth, precious path, and eventually become again a bodhisattva. So now we have this chance, and now we have to develop it.
Torej, če prakticirate v tem življenju in se razsvetlite, boste lahko pomagali številnim bitjem, s katerimi ste ustvarili določene vzroke. Če pa ne, ni na koncu tega življenja nobenega zagotovila, kje se bomo ponovno rodili in ali bomo lahko nadaljevali duhovno pot. In če ne bomo mogli nadaljevati, čez koliko življenj bomo zopet našli stik z duhovnim napredkom. Toliko časa bo izgubljenega in toliko trpljenja bo preteklo, preden bomo zopet dosegli dragoceno človeško rojstvo, dragoceno pot in preden bomo postali bodhisattva. Torej, zdaj imamo to priložnost in zdaj jo moramo izkoristiti.
So by not engaging into the bodhisattva path, by not developing bodhicitta as quick as we can, it is not only laziness from our side, but it is also great selfishness from our side. Because by not achieving the bodhisattva state of mind, we are not helping as many beings as we could. So we have to take this in consideration on a daily basis, on an every moment-to-moment basis, to speed up the development, the achievement of bodhicitta.
Torej, če se ne odločimo stopiti na pot bodhisattve, če ne razvijamo bodhicitte tako hitro, kot bi jo lahko, ne pomeni samo, da smo leni, temveč pomeni, da smo tudi zelo sebični. Ker s tem, ko ne dosežemo stanja uma bodhisattve, ko ne pomagamo čim več bitjem, to ne pomeni, da smo leni, temveč tudi, da smo zelo sebični, ker ne dosežemo stanja uma bodhisatve in ker ne pomagamo toliko bitjem, kot bi lahko. To moramo vsak dan upoštevati. To moramo upoštevati v vsakem trenutku, da bi pospešili razvijanje bodičite.